Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing Readwise and Raindrop, two popular tools for saving and organizing knowledge. Readwise is best for highlights and resurfacing what we've read. Raindrop, on the other hand, is a bookmark manager with powerful organization, tags, and search features. Pros of Readwise: highlights syncing, memory retention, and integrations with Notion and Obsidian. Cons: not a strong bookmarking tool. Pros of Raindrop: gorgeous UI, visual bookmark collections, and great for archiving links. Cons: doesn't focus on memory or learning, more for storage. For those who want to learn and remember, Readwise is best. For those who want an organized digital library of web content, Raindrop is the winner. This has been How to Read. Keep things smart and simple and scam free.